All right, all right. Enough of you said that, yes, you want to see Happy Mail. So I will open this Happy Mail with you. I have opened it and seen some of the stuff, but I stopped and I thought, well, maybe you want to see it. So I didn't go any further. So I'll show you what we got now. Crystal, my friend Crystal is the one who sent this Happy Mail. So let's just look. She did send me a little note here. And I don't want to read it, but I will show you this. There it is. Isn't that just so sweet of her? And she did tell me that I can open this on a live if I want to. So I'm doing that. Now, look at this. Do I need to zoom in? I do. And yes, it's morning. I'm in my robe. Hey, where's my coffee? I'll have to find my coffee. This here is the coolest feeling envelope. And look. So let's open this together because that's one thing I have not done is seen what's inside. Let's see. Yep. All right. So let's put this beautiful envelope aside. She has sent me a bingo card. Oh, I've never seen anything like that. What is... Oh, wow. That's really cool. Okay. Oh my gosh. I wonder if she's got a die cut that does guitar. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put these down in here. What else was in there? Oh, a bird book page. What are these? This and that. Add dimension to your pages without adding bulk. Oh. It's you punch out the little things and then you use them. Oh. How cool. Oh. Oh my gosh, I've never seen these either. Okay. Well, thank you. And then I did see this. I want you to see this. Use this to clean your hands from distress sprays. I don't know what it is. And you know what? I better tag Crystal. Because I need to know, Crystal, do I use this with water and rub? Because this almost feels like a pumice stone, but not as hard. You know, like you'd get dead skin off your feet or something. Yeah. Do I use it with water or no? And as a matter of fact, I need to get a little bit of lotion here. My hands are dry. I got this at one of my bazaars. There was a gal that, Calamity Jane Body Butter. It's made with tallow. I love it. Now, it is greasy, but sometimes we need a little grease in our lives, right? My hands were just feeling so dry. All right, then, look at this. I don't know how she knew that I needed this, but thank you. And then, she's not a huge Harry Potter fan, and so she knew that I am. So she sent me, look at this, a yard of Harry Potter fabric, and it has the houses on it. Gryffindor, Slytherin. Isn't that cool? Yeah. And then more. Okay, I want you to see. I thought there was a picture. Well, it's 5 different pieces, 100% cotton, and each one is a different house. We have Slytherin, Gryffindor. That's Harry Potter. What is this? Ravenclaw. Hufflepuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, all right. This is something I did not look at. Oh, it's more of that fabric from Defember that I loved. Oh my gosh. I don't know. There is something about this that I adore. And look at this one, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, you know what? It must be another piece of that. I've got to find this. Okay, it's by Free Spirit. So at least I know where to... I'm so excited I can't talk. I know where to go to look for more. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, Jiminy Cricket. And then this. Thank you for sharing. I knew she got this. I want to show you. It is watercolor. Isn't that the cutest thing? And oh my gosh, she shared quite a big strip with me. I'm going to hoard that for a while. I don't know what else I'll do with it yet. Luke 17:6. That could be our verse of the day. The Lord said, if you had faith like a grain of mustard seed, you would tell the sycamore tree, be uprooted and be planted in the sea, and it would obey you. Always make sure to go and read the verses before and after to get context. Don't take it out of context, okay? And then what's this? Desert Scenes, the Land of Enchantment. Postage, 1.5 cents without a message. What? Oh. Okay. What in the heck? Okay, so like this one here says Ocotillo in bloom. And then, oh, wow. Joshua Palms on the Desert, a California highway. Oh my gosh, thank you. The desert, a fascinating land of rare allurement. This is old. How fun. Thank you. Oh, look. Flowers. Those are so cute. And then what's this? It's very, very, very thick feeling. Oh. Velcro. Amazing Grace. What a friend we have in Jesus. I'm feeling like, okay, wait. Opens. Amazing Grace. Trusting Jesus. Oh, and there's pockets. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. That's really cool. Oh, I see. And then you glue it down to a journal. Oh, fun. Oh, this, you know what? This might be artwork that hangs in this room. Yeah, yep. I'm going to put this on my pile to hang on the wall. All right, what is this? Stickers! Stay wild, Star Child. Never stop looking up. Dance party. Cute. Oh, a shaker card. Oh, victory in Jesus, my Savior forever. Crystal, if you're watching, was this your Defember moon dust? Isn't that just beautiful? Wow. She made me a tag. Oh my goodness. That is going to be going, well, I'm going to show you. And as a matter of fact, I think this must, no, I'm going to show you where we're going to put this. We must take adventures to know where we truly belong. Oh, look, it's a coin envelope. Isn't that cool? Oh, look. Okay, gotta put those there. Oh my goodness. What is this? Stamping mat included inside. Rocking out. Music. Cool, thank you. We love because he first loved us. I love that. What's this? Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Just more sea glass. Oh, wow. This piece, do you see how it's light blue? And I very rarely find blues and reds. This is, look. Oh my gosh. Let me grab my sea glass jar. It's way up high, but I can reach it. Okay, here's my sea glass jar. And I collect it in here, okay? Look, she has sent me others. Cape Cod diamonds, right? I've got stuff, I mean, this, obviously, it's a rock, but it's from another friend. So what I do when she sends me stuff, I actually put it in the lid, and then I keep this next to me on my desk for probably a week, because I like to just look and feel and see the new pieces. Yay. All right, what do we got here? Oh, wow. Oh, thank you for sharing your lace with me and your fun trims. This is very interesting. And what do we got here? Home decor show-offs. 74 cents, Crystal. Wow, that's awesome. And it is a really cool stencil. Oh my gosh, it has how to stencil. Oh, wow. Crystal, thank you. How much fun. Boy, you make me feel kind of dumb with what I sent you last. But we can't do that. Do not allow yourself to feel less than other people, like you're not doing as good as they are. We are all different, okay? I have to remind myself of that often. Hang on. I'm going to push pause for just a sec. Okay, the reason I push pause is to take my phone off the holder, because I want to take these and show you where I'm going to put them. Do I walk there and make you dizzy? I don't know. Let's try. I don't want to make you dizzy. Speed it up if I make you dizzy. Yes, I'm in my robe and my slippers. Yep. Okay, let's come over here into the dining area, turn on the light, and let's just come to my hutch. Remember, my gel plate supplies were in here? Not anymore. Okay, can I zoom out? Oh, that's as far as we're gonna get. Well, that's all right. You want to know what's in here now? When I sit at the table to read, yeah. Oh, look, I have a tablecloth for in the spring. Yeah. So, what I'd like to do is find a spot. Yeah. And then, see this up here? Choose joy. Yeah. So we need a spot for this. And I'm thinking right here. Yeah. And then I'm thinking we need a spot for this. We're getting full. What about just right there? Yeah, I think that works. Okay. Can I turn slowly? I do own more than one tablecloth. It's just the other one is right here. Yeah, because this is where I sit and practice my guitar. So, thank you for hanging out with me. And let me know if you want to see other Happy Mail when I get it. Let me know if you would like to swap Happy Mail. Actually, here's what I'll do. Go ahead and still let me know in the comments, but I will leave my Happy Mail address in the description box. And when you send me something, then I will send you something back within 2 weeks. And just keep in mind that I live in a small town and sometimes things can take a while to leave here. Our post office has had some issues with workers. They got new management and all the workers except one quit. So you can imagine how slow it has been. So until later, God bless you guys. Bye.